Hey everyone, today's format for our Metcon is going to be one of my favorites. It's EMOM, every minute on the minute. So every minute we're going to give you a task and we want you to try and complete it. If however it's too difficult for you, I want you all to scale it down to 45 seconds, as many reps as you can, and stick to those number of reps. So minute 1 we'll be doing 5 wall walks, minute 2 10 lunge stirs, minute 3 15 burpees, minute 4 20 beast hold shoulder taps, and minute 5 we're going to try and do for score as many DUs or as many single skips or as many double taps as possible, and minute 6 the whole minute will be rest. So as mentioned, our intended stimulus today is going to be a quick pace because we want you to finish off the task as fast as possible and get the remaining time as rest. We want you to rest at the 45-second mark. So if at any of the exercises, if you aren't sure, try and just, when you hear your coach calling out 45 seconds are up, if you've done only 4 wall walks, then stick to 4 wall walks the next time it comes around. Similarly for all the other exercises, stick to that number of reps every round. Now for the first 1 minute we have a task of 5 wall walks. We're going to place our hands on the floor, starting in a push-up position, walk on our hands and try and touch our nose to the wall. If you find this difficult, the first scaling option is to not walk on your hands and just place your hands, keep them at the same place on the floor, and just walk your feet on the wall to whatever height you are comfortable with. And the easiest scaling option will just be to do inch walks, walk into a push-up position and just walk back, trying to keep your knees as straight as possible. Our next exercise is going to be doing 10 lunge stirs, which means you're going to be doing 2 lunges with a very light weight and then followed by 1 thruster. Okay, so make sure this weight is really light. You can even use just an empty bottle or something in your hand. Do 2 lunges, stepping forward, alternate leg lunges, and then followed by 1 thruster. Third exercise is going to be 15 burpees, placing your hands on the floor, jump back, touch your chest and jump up again. Minute 4 we're going to be doing 20 beast hold shoulder taps, getting onto the floor on all fours. We're going to lift your knees off the floor, and then we're going to touch our opposite shoulder. So every time you touch your shoulder with one hand, it's counted as 1 rep. We're going to be doing a total of 20 of these. Next minute we are going to be doing our scoring round, which is going to be a max amount of double unders as possible. So double under is when you jump up and the rope travels twice below your feet. It's a skilled exercise, and if you don't have it, today is not the time to try it, and instead you're going to be doing single skips. Single skips are the regular skips or single unders. We're going to be doing as many as you can in this whole minute. If you don't have a rope and you don't have single skips or you aren't fast at them, then you're going to do double taps instead. Double taps are when you jump up and you tap the side of your thighs twice for every jump that you do. Make sure your coaches are watching you. Today's scoring is going to be the total number of DUs, single skips or double taps that you do in all the rounds. Also, you're going to place, when you put in your score, please tell us how many reps you've done of each of the exercise. Don't forget to upload your scores and have a great one, guys.